Hey, what's going on? It's William Savoy. I look forward to meeting you later. Let me give you a glimpse of what the goal is. So I want to show you this. Basically, there are two types of resumes out there. I'm sorry, or job descriptions. So on our website, Savoy Fitness Crosstalk, you go to careers. I have I'm looking for a coach in E-Town and a coach in Indiana, right? So when I click on uh, the one in E-Town, right? I'm looking for a coach. Basically, I just clicked on this. And when you look at that, it gives me the following: a quick job summary, the why, this, and you can read this stuff. I'll send you the links. But like basically, when I'm giving a job description, it's like, are you want a job that pays rich to go beyond your wildest dreams? Da 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 da. And it's just like it's cueing you with questions. Let's lay down the big bonus. Playing the part, our coaching staff is very friendly, lead by example. So all of that is cool and I like it, but I do that to draw somebody in. I really don't give a fuck about any of that. I want to know, can they do the job that I want them to do? So thus it cues you into our regular job description. Where's that at? Our regular one would look something like this: basic function, individual function statement, core responsibilities, specific responsibilities, general duties, and more. That's kind of what I'm getting there. That's the difference. So again, the one that I show to the public that draws you in and makes you input your resume is friendly. It's, let's hold hands and go to Candyland. And then this one is just more detailed. It's right to the point. These are what I want. These are the metrics, so on and so forth. So what I'm looking to do today is site manager. I have this printed out and laid out for you. And basically, this is the detailed one. I'm going to give you, we need to create, I got some edits to make in here and I got to ask you some questions. But this is the detailed one. I want the one that I can put on Indeed that looks like this. It's the Candyland one, okay? So again, we're going to take this site manager job description. I see you're actually in here. We're going to look at this. And then after we look at this, we're going to make that nice created one. I'll share the links with you. Thank you.